Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercedes, also known as That Mom here on the internet. In today's video, we're going to go through two, I was going to say three little upcycles, but it's basically, this video is focused on these two upcycles that we've done recently in our house. This one that I am doing right now, as you can see, is in my daughter's room. This is a old box that had Melissa and Doug alphabet and number magnets in it. The magnets are pretty much no longer, but this little container that they came in was sitting off to the side, so I decided to clean it up and put it to good use, and I'm going to use it in my daughter's room for her oils. So I have oils in all the rooms of the house, you guys know that, but I do want to say, because I know there's people that do not like oils, we don't use them every single day. When I'm home we use them, but when I'm not home we do not use them. So don't worry, we're doing safely. All of these rollers have carrier oil in them too, and it is diluted. Most of these oils in my daughter's room only have 1 drop of oil in it to the carrier oil. So with that out of the way, these are all of her oils that we keep in her room, because these are all the baby safe oils. And then we have our room spray, our nighttime spray made with our moon water, and I'm so happy I can say that, actually. I hope you guys don't mind, but if you guys do, let me know in the comments. But I really hope you don't mind. This oil right here that I have in my hand, it is actually a teething oil that was bought at like the store. So this one has clove and copaiba in it, and it's meant to go inside the mouth, and we've only used it like once or twice, but my mother-in-law got it for me because it's an oil. So hey, that is great. Sorry, look back on this. So anyway, this is where we went ahead and put it. It's still in the spot right now, with the baby monitor and everything. And in a second, you'll see how I fixed the baby monitor around. I could probably actually put the baby monitor in the wooden cardboard box, or the wooden box, not wooden cardboard, but you know what I mean. At some point I might still want to paint the box over, but right now this works out just fine. And I could probably end up putting the box inside the box. That might end up working. I haven't done it yet. But it's a good idea watching this footage back. Yes, that's basically it on this one. The next upcycle in a second that I'll show you guys, I feel like I need to start talking about it right now, because these crates have a little story to them. We don't just have crates. We have a couple sets of crates, but these crates came from our co-op, and they don't want the crates back, so we keep them. And we've put them to a lot of good use, and I'm actually going to probably use a couple for raised bed planters, so to upcycle those. So stay tuned on that one. I have to check all the plastics and everything, make sure that they're safe for the summertime in Arizona. But we're using them as can holders, and it's easier to bring these out of the drawer than to be searching in our deep cabinets back here. It is very deep. I have another video that, I think is going to come out on Monday, because this video is coming out on Friday, that you'll see me measuring some of my kitchen. So anyway, oh, and these containers are also upcycled. These have been in the house for like years, and they've had different lives to them, as you can see, odds and ends and cat treats, but right now they are housing teas and coffees. So our tea supplies and our coffee supplies, we have a ton, and they are working out just fine. I saw that the dollar store has some more of these. I believe these did come from the dollar store a couple years back, but I believe they have new versions of these that I want to get for the spice rack. So the spices are a little unorganized. But anyway, that is essentially all I had in this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.